Greens one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I've got we got some things coming up this weekend, last weekend and this weekend, so I didn't get a lot of videos shot. So I got to do a little meal prep for work. So I thought I'd show you what I'm doing. Something I've actually made before, but for those of you who are new to the channel, you can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm actually a real big fan of these chicken pot pies. I got these yesterday. Got the beef and the chicken. So I do like those pies. I'm gonna be making my own today. I actually have done this before. Really easy to do. Plus you can make them how you like versus getting stuck with ingredients you may not like. Plus I think overall it'll just be cheaper. Just bake it yourself. So I got those at the freezer yesterday, at the Winco yesterday, because I was time crunched. I ended up replacing my hot water tank all weekend, and then it ate up my entire weekend, and then Sunday I got called into work. So Saturday night I got a text, hey, can you work tomorrow? I'm like, for 12 hours, so I didn't get it. I basically had to run around, get everything done yesterday. So today is Tuesday, it's actually morning. I'm doing this before, I got an appointment today, so I gotta do this and then leave, so let's get to it. Alright, so I got my potatoes on. I got some chicken thighs here, you know, one of my go-to favorite proteins. So I'm gonna get this all cut up and cooked. Rather unfortunate, but the Pillsbury shells, giving them their name out there, because as you can see, I was unrolling it and the damn thing ripped apart on me. Like, dude, seriously? That's gonna be the hell. Both layers broke on me. Pretty irritating. So it's not going to be a fashionable looking pie. Now, homemade would have been better, but you know, I'm a little time crunched, so. And you don't want to affect the taste, because it'll look like hell. So, bottom's ready to rock. Alright, so potatoes are boiling along. Chicken and mushrooms should be done. Seasoned. Salt, a little bit of rosemary, sloppy mama white, and garlic. This water here is for some chicken gravy to go with the I'm not going to mash those potatoes, I'm just going to put them in their whole. So, you're probably thinking, well, where's the carrot? Where's the other stuff? I actually don't like the texture of carrots in my pie. What I'll probably do is, tomorrow when I get off work, I'll probably stop and get some stuff to make salad. And I'll do a side salad along with my pie. So it's probably what I'll do for veggies, because I just opened a bottle of ranch dressing too. Alright, so it's time to assemble. I just drained my potatoes. Go ahead and throw these in. If they're well, I gotta put the chicken in there too, so I'm gonna take some of these out. It's no big deal. I mean, I can always turn these into home fries or something, you know, down the road. So they will not go to waste. In fact, I may actually do that tomorrow. Just tomorrow or maybe Wednesday night, I'll just fry them up for home fries. Put all the meat in. Just like that. Make sure you get a nice even spread. Yeah, so I'm okay with how full that is. I've actually put broccoli in here before, but I didn't like how it came out. I didn't like the way it reheated in here, so. And then the gravy, that's basically for the potatoes. And then the top. Really annoyed about that shell breaking open. On the other hand, I don't have to vent this thing now. like I said, I'm not really worried about the appearance because I'm literally just gonna chop it all up and put it in to-go containers. So when the oven's hot, let's pop this in. Directions said 400, but because all the ingredients are cooked, I'm just gonna do 400 for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes have gone by. Let's take a look. I think it's all cooked. Like I said, the ingredients are all done. It's just, you know, and it looks a mess, but it'll taste fine. I should have brushed some egg on it, but that would have been given it a better color. But with all it tears, and I didn't want to waste an egg just for that. So, all right. Well, I do appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, questions, suggestions, complaints. It's all good. It should taste phenomenal, even though it may not look all that great. But hey, you know, it's literally just gonna go in a to-go container and just sit in the fridge until I heat it up. So anyway, again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Okay, so it's actually been a couple days. I'm just prepping my lunch for tomorrow. I'm also frying up some bacon for my breakfast because I put a little bit of bacon in my scrambled eggs. Cut myself off a piece of pie, which actually tasted pretty good, and of course it had to break apart on me. So I'll just put this in my lunch every day for the next few days and just wrap it back up again. And I'll just nuke that up.